Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Yamaha R3 lightweight sport bike with ABS brakes. This bike only has 76 miles on it. Little scuff on the right, but bike looks fantastic. 76 miles. This thing's virtually brand new. Come on by, make your lightweight twin cylinders sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. This thing has really got great styling. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.